Drop that piece now. Go ahead and put that on. Damn, bent that just now. There we go. It's a little snug there. Wouldn't have bent it if I'd have taken my time, but you know. Anyway, it's irrelevant. It all gets taped and duck buttered. So, like I'll show you one I didn't bend installing. Actually, I did another one here. I didn't cut that one short, so it went in as an angle. That's why I cut that other one short. Looks a lot better. But, you know, does the job. Costs cents compared to the $10 ones you buy, reducers you buy at the supply house. And the reason I made these and didn't buy them actually was because the supply house didn't have them in stock. They would have charged me for a custom piece, and I wasn't going to pay for a custom piece. But, you know, nothing is custom in here except for this Broadway to 90 to go upstairs. Runs on up all the way up to the top. 12 by 8, it's only 500 square feet upstairs. The very top, not the first floor, the very tip top is just only 500 square feet. But okay, thank you for watching.